What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hard with Something. So guys, in today's episode, you guys have never ever seen this before, but boys, we got a snowmobile. I went and got a snowmobile on Friday, and yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a snowmobiling video. If I don't know how many of you that watch these videos or follow me on Instagram, but go follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it here and linked in the description. But I took a poll: should I do a snowmobiling video? And a lot of people said yes. So I'm like, okay, I'll do one. But yeah, so this is, well, it's it's not brand new, but it's new to me. It's a Polaris Indy 500 with, yeah, just basically Polaris Indy 500. It has extra 10 suspension in it. And yeah, so I've had it a couple days now, and I'm gonna make a video right now about it. I'm gonna probably be going in the backyard and then out on the lake. There really isn't much snow out on the lake right now, since it's so like beat down from every snowmobile, because the trail goes right through the lake. So yeah, there's a lot of people been out there, but I'm just gonna be going around. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys stay tuned. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, first snowmobiling video on the channel. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you're new here, my name is Billy. Subscribe to the channel. I have a bunch more snowmobile videos planned. There's just not a lot of snow right now, as you can tell in the video. Like, there's, if it's not fresh snow, like there's untouched snow, it's about probably 8 inches of powder, but then most of it's all ran over by other snowmobiles, and that's like just hard packed ground. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. There's many more snowmobiling episodes to come out, hopefully. I just need to snow more. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, so you guys stay tuned for next episode. See you guys next time. Peace.